The Dahua Deep Hub Smart Interactive Whiteboard adopts an all-in-one design to facilitate daily work and meeting activities including wireless projection, whiteboard writing, video conferencing, and file management. It delivers an immersive and efficient working environment and brings productive collaboration. Tingnan na lang natin katulad sa isang smart classroom solution. Imagine kapag nagpe-present si teacher. Ito ay mas encouraging at nakatutuwa siguro sa mga bata kasi very colorful ang display. Pagdating naman dun sa kanilang participation sa mga video activities, lalo silang nai-inspire para mag-explore. Kapag ginamit mo naman ang mga apps nito katulad ng Google Search, so pwede ka na directly mag-search sa net kasi it can be also Wi-Fi connected. Meron din itong Ethernet port. At habang may pinanonood or dinidiscuss si teacher or sa office, you can pause the video, diba, forward. At the same time, pwede kang gumawa ng mga notations around it. And then you can also automatically save the file, whatever is it that you are doing on the screen. So maisisave mo siya kaagad. Ang pinakamaganda pa dito, office kapag tayo ay nagmi-meeting, so gamitin lang natin yung e-share. So lahat ng gustong mag-participate sa meeting, bawat isa they get the chance to present ang bilis directly from their phone or from their laptop. Another point naman of sharing, kung hindi i-share ang inyong gagamitin, meron siyang ginagamit na wireless transmitter. So yung laptop for example na ginagamit mo, ayan meron yan parang dongle. So yung dongle na ito, ikakabit mo lang dun sa iyong laptop and then ayan na si presenter. All the way, dire-diretso lang ang kanyang pagpapresent. There are so many types and sizes of the Deep Hub, and if you're interested, you may call us for more details. Just search CBR2 Marketing on Facebook, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you!